Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you will be fine and studying well in the home. Students, today we are going to solve exercise unit 4 living things and the environment. Students, आज हम solve करेंगे first 6 questions को. Question number 1. What is difference between community, habitat and ecosystem? Answer. A community is all the plants and animals living within a defined area. Community वो जगह है जहाँ पे तमाम प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स मिलजुल कर रहते हैं, यानी स्टूडेंट्स इसको माशरा भी कहते हैं. हैबिटेट इज़ अ प्लेस इन विच ऑर्गेनिजम्स और कम्युनिटी ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स लिव्स. ऐसी प्लेस जहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स एनिमल रहते हैं उस जगह को हम कहते हैं हैबिटेट. इकोसिस्टम. An ecosystem is a biological community and physical environment associated with it. जैसे कि स्टूडेंट्स हमने प्रीवियस लेक्चर में डिस्कस किया था, इकोसिस्टम इज अ कम्बिनेशन ऑफ environment and living thing. It's mean interaction of living things with their environment is called ecosystem. किसी भी जिंदा चीज़ों का अपने जो environment के साथ इंटरेक्शन होता है, ताल्लुक़ होता है, उसको हम इकोसिस्टम बोलते हैं. Question 2. What is biotic environment? Students, biotic environment means living environment. You know, biotic environment is living things and their activities which affects the environment in which they live. Biotic environment includes plants, animals. Question 3. How might animals depend upon plants, including tree, even they do not eat those plants? Explain your answer. Students, animals that do not need plants. ऐसे एनिमल्स जो प्लांट्स को नहीं खाते might depend on trees, and they depend on trees and other plants for shelter, protection, nest site, and of course they get oxygen they breathe. बेसिकली स्टूडेंट्स वो कह रहे हैं कि कुछ एनिमल्स जो वो प्लांट्स पे डिपेंड नहीं होते, इंक्लूडिंग ट्री. इफ़ दे डू नॉट ईट दोज प्लांट्स, एक्सप्लेन योर आंसर. अगर उनको खाते नहीं हैं तो वो किस तरह उन पर डिपेंड है. स्टूडेंट्स, यू नो, एनिमल्स जो हैं, कुछ एनिमल्स जो हैं वो ट्रीज़ को यूज़ करते हैं एज अ शेल्टर, अपनी पनाह के तौर पे, फॉर प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम प्रेडेटर, एंड दे फॉर्म नेस्ट साइट. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, एनिमल आल्सो गेट देयर ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. Question 4. What kind of things make up physical environment of living organisms? Physical environment means, students, there is a non-living things, mean abiotic factors of environment. In previous lecture we have discussed, students, the things which make up abiotic or physical environment of organisms includes climatic factors such as sunlight, rainfall, temperature, water and carbon dioxide. Students, these are physical environment or abiotic factors of environment. Question 5. Do human beings have greatest effect on physical environment or biotic environment of organisms? Explain your answer. Students, इस क्वेश्चन में वो पूछ रहे हैं कि क्या इंसान फिजिकल इन्वायरमेंट पे इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं. आंसर. ह्यूमन हैव ग्रेटेस्ट इफेक्ट, biggest effect on biotic environment. Students, human are the major cause of biggest and major cause of biotic environment because of hunting, the destruction of habitats, effects of pollution, use of chemical like pesticides to control weeds, pests and disease. Even students, when human activities affect abiotic environment, this still has bad impact on plants, animals and other organisms living in an ecosystem. You know students, humans hunting करते हैं, शिकार करते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा जो है. उसके अलावा डिफरेस्टेशन करते हैं, रिमूवल ऑफ ट्रीज़ करते हैं, हैबिटेट को डिस्ट्रक्ट कर देते हैं, तबाह कर देते हैं और इस तरह अफेक्ट करते हैं पूरे एक इकोसिस्टम के ऊपर. सिमिलरली स्टूडेंट्स, ह्यूमंस जो हैं वो एबायोटिक एनवायरनमेंट पे भी इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं. The impact on plants, animals and other organisms living in the ecosystem. बायोटिक पे भी करते हैं और एबायोटिक पे भी इफेक्ट करते हैं. Question 6. A camel has long eyelashes, a hump containing fat, a large padded feet. It can go for 5 days without drinking. It can then drink up 130 liters of water in 10 minutes. A camel also produces little sweat or urine. Describe how these features help camel to survive in the deserts. Answer. Students, eyelashes. Eyelashes of camel. It protects eyes from wind-blown dust and sand. Hump. It contains fat which can be used during respiration to produce energy and water. Padded feet. The camel feet, students. Padded feet spread its weight, bear its weights, and it does not sink into sand. Sweat and urine. It produces little urine. Students, camel produce little urine, so it does not lose much water by excretion in the form of urine. Water consumption, the camel's rapids and large consumption of water when available. But students, it can survive without drinking water at least 5 days and more than. Students, this is all about our today's lecture. Learn and write these question answers on your notebooks. Thank you.